So looking at question 22, it talks a baseball and its path. The path is given by the equation of y equals negative 0.011 x squared plus 1.15 x plus 1.22. A lot of decimals. And it's asking about the profile of the bleachers is modeled by this line. Y equals 0.6x minus 72. And essentially what it wants to know, does this ever cross path with this? And where does it? Okay. It says, does the ball reach the bleachers for a home run? Justify your answer. Okay, so even if you didn't know what a home run was or bleachers was, you know that the path of the ball is this, and we want to know if it can reach that. So is there a point of intersection? So what do? Well, our first step is to write y equals to y at the point of intersection. So negative 0.011 x squared plus 1.15 x plus 1.22, let's verify that I wrote that down right, yes I did, equals 0.6 x minus 72. Okay, the next step is to move everything onto the same side of the equation. So, because I'm lazy, I'm just going to duplicate this. Duplicate. Boop. And I'm going to just bring this over. Actually, I should duplicate that too. Duplicate, except the signs change. Okay, so mathematicians are always lazy. Equals 0. So this becomes minus, this becomes positive. Okay, then we'd collect like terms. Okay, so that's the first like term. There's nothing that's similar to that. And as you do these questions, you'll notice that we'll never have a match for this because the line doesn't have an x squared. So I got x squared 1.15 minus 0.6 is equal to, I believe, plus 0.55 x, and then I just say plus, these two add up together, 1 or 73.22 equals 0. Now my next step is to solve for x, but the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to multiply everything by 1,000. So let's multiply everything by 1,000. In fact, I'm going to multiply it by negative 1,000. And 0 times negative 1,000 is still 0. That's why we can do that. And that becomes 11x squared. This multiplied by negative and that multiplied by negative will give me negatives. 550x minus 73,220. Okay, do I have a point of intersection? Well, you know what? Now is about time. Actually, I wonder if 73,220 divided by, can I divide that by 11? Let's see. Where's the calculator? Oh, there's none on this. Let's see. What is 73,220 divided by 11? Oh, no, it's not a perfect number. So I'm not even going to do that, but what I can do is the determinant value equals b squared minus 4ac. And what's b squared? What's b squared? B squared is minus 550 square minus 4 times A11 times 73220. Well, it's not looking good. Oh, that's a negative. I was hoping that would be positive. Oh well. So what do we end up getting? We're going to get an answer. It does actually. So look at this. This becomes 550. And without even solving, I know that this is positive and this is positive. So then that stays positive. So positive plus whatever this number is going to be positive. If I have a positive plus a positive, I'm going to get a positive number. So what does the question ask us? All distances, does the ball reach the bleachers for a home run? Yes, it does. Because I get an intersection. Because there is two intersection points, actually. Two intersection points. It does cross the bleachers. So I didn't even have to solve it. I know for a fact that this is going to cross the bleachers because the determinant will give me positive value, which will give me 2 points of intersection, which means that I do have, it does cross into the bleachers.